If you're tired of Windows slowing you down, constantly updating at the worst time, or just feeling bloated, then you've probably wondered whether a Linux distro can truly replace it. And Pop! OS is one of the strongest contenders. But is it really good enough for everyday users or even gamers? Let's break it down. Pop! OS, developed by System76, has earned its reputation as one of the top Linux distros for people who just want things to work. Because System76 also builds Linux hardware, Pop_OS is designed for smooth, hassle-free performance right out of the box. You install it, and boom, you're ready to go. One of the first things you'll notice is the interface. It's clean, modern, and extremely beginner-friendly. If you're coming from Windows or Mac OS, you'll feel right at home. But beneath that simplicity, Pop_OS packs serious productivity features. The built-in auto-tiling window manager automatically arranges your apps, great for developers, creatives, and anyone who loves an efficient workflow. Now let's talk performance, especially for gamers and GPU users. Pop!OS is known for its excellent graphics support, particularly for NVIDIA cards. It includes pre-installed drivers, easy toggles to switch between integrated and dedicated graphics, and overall smoother performance compared to many other distros. Steam, Proton, and most games run without much tweaking, which is a huge win for anyone switching from Windows. On top of that, Pop!OS is fast, stable, and lightweight. Daily tasks feel snappy, multitasking is smooth, and even older machines get a noticeable boost. For many users, the experience genuinely feels cleaner, and in some cases faster than Windows. But no system is perfect. Pop! OS still relies on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS as its base, which means some software packages aren't the latest versions. And although the new Pop! OS 24.04 with the Cosmic Desktop is on the way and looks fantastic, it's not fully released yet. There have also been occasional reports of NVIDIA driver instability under heavy workloads, though not common. So, can Pop_OS replace Windows? If you want a reliable, polished, and powerful Linux distro, especially if you have an NVIDIA GPU, Pop_OS is easily one of the best choices out there. It offers speed, stability, and a user-friendly design that many Windows users will love. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tech content, and tell me in the comments, would you switch from Windows to Pop!OS?